Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding keycaps using an easy method. First, gather your materials. You'll need a set of clear keycaps and a set of opaque keycaps. Make sure they are compatible with your keyboard. Also, have a reliable adhesive or epoxy ready. A clean, well-lit workspace is essential for a smooth process. This preparation ensures the best outcome for your custom keycaps. Now, let's prepare the keycaps. Gently separate the top and bottom sections of both your clear and opaque keycaps. Take your time to avoid any damage. Next, use isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to thoroughly clean all the individual pieces. This step removes any oils or debris, ensuring a strong bond later. Allow them to air dry completely before moving on. It's time for assembly. Apply a very thin, even bead of your chosen adhesive along the inner edge of the opaque keycap's bottom piece. Be careful not to use too much. Then, carefully align the clear top piece over the adhesive and press it down firmly. Hold it in place for approximately 30 seconds to allow the initial bond to form. Precision here is key. Finally, let's finish up. Allow your newly assembled pudding keycaps to cure undisturbed for a full 24 hours. This ensures the adhesive reaches its maximum strength. After curing, carefully inspect each keycap. If there's any excess adhesive, gently trim it away with a sharp craft knife. Now, you can proudly install your custom pudding keycaps onto your keyboard and enjoy the enhanced look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.